Hi, so welcome to Ask AD. Another little product these guys from JCB have sent me is this USB adapter. So it's basically an adapter that fits on your battery drill. Let's take a little look at what we can do with it. Very spoiled from these guys at the moment. They're looking after me with my new venture as being a Spark. And yeah, kitting me out. So we've got a little clip on there to go on your belt or your tool belt. You take that, take your battery. There. Okay, so what we've got here is a little torch and a USB charger. So it can slip on your battery. There you go. Got a nice bright light on there. Of course, it's very light with the 1.5 amp hour battery on there as well. 18 volt lithium. And also, which is very handy, little USB charger, so you can charge your phone, accessories. This one's already charged up already, but just to show you. Yes, that's decent, isn't it? That's all right. Quite happy about that. Nice little compact design, lightweight, clip on your belt. Charge 2 devices off there. The rating on those is 2 amp on there as well, which is pretty decent. So 5 volt, 2 amp. Little LED light on there as well. Quick release, clip on and off. Perfect. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here. And for more videos, click here.